Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a supported Windows 10/11 or compatible Mac, a Microsoft account, and billing details. Next, sign into account. Microsoft.com. Once signed in, choose Microsoft 365 Admin or Personal Portal depending on your license. Make sure to pick the correct project plan: Plan 1 for web only, Plan 3 for desktop plus online, Plan 5 for advanced features. Once chosen, proceed to purchase or trial. This gets you the license token and access to the installer. Once you have the license, go to the Microsoft 365 portal and download the project desktop installer if your plan includes it. Run the installer as administrator. Allow it to update Office components and close any open Office apps. Install can take several minutes. Monitor progress. After installation, launch project and sign in with the same account you used to buy the license, so activation occurs automatically. If you picked project for the web, make sure your browser is updated and access project from the app launcher. To finish, install all updates via Microsoft Update so project runs smoothly, and connect to SharePoint or Teams for file sharing. Configure default templates and check resource calendars. Make sure your time zone and regional settings are correct. If activation fails, sign out of Office across apps, clear stored credentials in Credential Manager, and sign back in. This often resolves licensing sync issues. If problems persist, uninstall project, reboot, and reinstall. That typically clears corrupted installer states so you can activate successfully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.